My dear readers, in the chambers of modernity, where machines converse and data dances to the symphony of algorithms, the art of programming is not only a utilitarian craft, but a new form of literacy. One cannot explore the landscape of contemporary technology without stumbling upon the reptilian charm of Python, a language that both novices and wizards employ to tame the digital beast. Let us embark upon this exploration not as mere technicians, but as poets and philosophers. For the art of coding transcends the mechanical and delves into the very essence of thought and logic. Python, named not for the fearsome snake, but for the irreverent humor of Monty Python, is more than a tool. It's a medium for expressing abstract ideas in an elegant and precise manner. In the words of George Orwell, good prose is like a window pane, and Python, I dare say, is the stained glass of the programming pantheon. Why Python, one might ask, when there is a veritable babel of programming languages at our disposal? To this inquiry, I direct the learned reader to the wisdom of simplicity found in the writings of Thoreau, who famously asserted, "Our life is frittered away by detail. Simplify, simplify." Indeed, Python has become a beacon of clarity and elegance in a field often accused of obscurity. Its syntax, gentle reader, is a thing of beauty. Where other languages revel in the pedantic intricacies of semicolons and braces, Python welcomes the initiate with the open arms of human-readable code. If brevity is the soul of wit, as the immortal bard told us, then Python is surely the wittiest of programming tongues. The world of Python is rich in libraries and frameworks, much like the hallowed halls of the Library of Alexandria were filled with scrolls of knowledge. Whether one seeks to plumb the depths of artificial intelligence with TensorFlow or paint the canvas of the web with Django, Python stands ready, a trusty guide through the labyrinthine corridors of modern technology. But let us not become mere Pythian oracles, prophesying in riddles and concealing truth behind veils of complexity. Python's beauty lies in its democratic nature, a tongue spoken by the novice and the sage alike. It neither panders to the lowest common denominator nor elevates itself to an ivory tower of elitism. It is a language of the people, by the people, for the people, a digital manifestation of the democratic ideal. The disciples of Python are numerous and varied, reminiscent of the myriad faces that graced the agora of ancient Athens. A community of thinkers and doers, they have fostered a culture of collaboration and openness, much like the Enlightenment salons where ideas were the currency and reason the guiding star. Yet let us not become intoxicated by Python's siren song without acknowledging its limitations. No language, however eloquent, can be the panacea for all computational ailments. Python is not without its Achilles heel, and sometimes the speed of execution might stumble like a tragic hero in a Greek drama. In other words, dear reader, to learn Python is to embark on a journey through the modern technological landscape, guided by the lantern of logic and the compass of creativity. It is to join a fellowship of thinkers, united by a language that transcends mere code and ascends to the realm of art. To write in Python is to converse with the machine in a tongue that resonates with the very core of human understanding. It is to stand on the shoulders of giants and glimpse a world where technology and humanity walk hand in hand, neither master nor slave, but companions in a never-ending quest for knowledge and enlightenment. So, let us raise a glass to Python, the literary jewel of the programming world, a beacon of clarity in an often opaque field, a language that invites us to think, to create, and to transcend.